Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday, and we got a few sales today. We did start a garage sale today, so we are kind of both a little tired from that. We've been going through the whole house, getting stuff ready to go last night, and getting it all set up this morning. I think it started at 9, but we were out there setting stuff up from 7 o'clock, and it ended around 1. So we're going to go ahead and pull what sold for us today, and then we'll talk a little bit more about our garage sale later on. So, you ready?
Yeah. All right, yeah. I'm surprised I have as many sales as I did without doing really anything.
Yeah, we haven't really focused on our online sales at all today.
Coming over here. Don't mind the mess today. Everything's kind of all over the place. I see our Old Navy.
Our two tables that are usually up here are down in the garage with products on them, ready to be set outside tomorrow.
Well, I came in here for this, and then I realized I had stole this.
Here you go. Yeah. Set him in
this
chair.
The first one is just this Old Navy hoodie. That was my son's. I'm pretty sure I paid $5 or less for it on like Old Navy clearance. And I sold it on Kidizen for $9 plus shipping.
And this is our table for the day, because you could see that table's gone. This table is gone. Don't look at this mess, guys. This looks a lot worse than it is.
Oh, yeah, it's mostly just bad.
And then there's this pile here that was...
So
oh, and there's Reese, too.
The other thing in that bag was those Took or T-U-K. I'm not really sure how you say that. If it's
Took or Took or something.
Yeah, I don't know if the T-U-K stands for something or what, but thought those were so cool. I did pay $11.99 for them at Goodwill, but I sold them for $42 plus shipping on eBay, so a really good sale.
Very nice.
All right, BR. Uh-oh. Hope nothing else
Good
is
top
over
corner.
here.
Yeah, because we still haven't put all the shoes away that she's photographed a few days ago.
So these are just some Merrell, like a barefoot or bare access type shoe. Picked these up for $4.99, sold them for $29.95 plus shipping. This sale I was super excited about. I just thought these were cool looking shoes. We got them when we were in Nebraska. I did pay $10 for them, $9.99 at their Goodwill there. But I found them online when I did Google Lens, and I saw that they retailed for like $150 or $170 or something like that. And these were like, they looked like they were probably worn like one time.
Yeah.
And the leather just looked nice, felt nice. So I took a chance on them, even though there wasn't a ton on eBay as far as listeds or solds. Like there was some solds around 50, which is why I decided to take a chance on them. I listed mine at $59.95 plus ship, and we did not have a sale running in the last day because I forgot to turn one on.
Yeah.
And they sold full price, so $10 into $60 plus shipping. So
very
really
nice.
Happy.
So do you think we would have had more sales if we had a sale running, or?
Yeah. I usually always have a small sale between 8 to 12%.
Okay.
Just because when people see the number slashed out,
yeah,
they're more likely to be like to buy. But I also knew that we weren't going to have a lot of time for shipping. So.
Yeah.
And then this Harley shirt I just listed a day or so ago. Sold on Mercari for $36 plus shipping. I paid $10.67 average buy cost that day. So still really good. Yeah, I've been profiting close to 20 off most of the Harley shirts that I've sold so far. So if I can keep that up for the most of them, and at the end, you know, when it's been a while, if I can make $10 a pop off of them, I'll be really happy. Oh, Reese, I'm gonna have to move you, dude.
It's like I just got comfortable. Reese has
You
kind of
don't
been
even have to
stressing
do any
out.
work, man.
Oh.
Hey.
Come here, Reese. Up here. Come on. You gotta move, bub. Come on.
Come on. Go get your carrots.
Reese.
Where's your carrots?
Go, boy. Come over here. You're okay.
Sold another pair of Merrells. This is the 4th pair of Merrells in 2 days that I've sold. So these I picked up off a Facebook Marketplace pickup. This person I actually bought 2 jackets from as well. So it was like a trip where it made it worth it because, I mean, I had to drive like 10 minutes away, but I got 3 things from her that'll probably sell for at least $20 profit each item. So yeah, I paid $10 and I sold them on Facebook for $36 plus shipping.
Sweet.
Right, and then this sale just came in before we started.
And he's already back in that spot. He's been stressing out with the whole garage sale. He doesn't know what to think when we're taking stuff outside, hearing noise outside. He kind of got out a little bit and went and said hey to all the people outside, but came back fine.
So these are some Polo Ralph Lauren, like a vintage denim shorts. I listed these for $40. I sent an offer of $32 plus shipping, and someone accepted. I paid $3.23 for these. So, yeah, the sales that we've had today, not only I'm excited about, but they're all like really good sales too. So, I mean, I'm excited about every sale, but you know, it's not just like selling off our kids' stuff.
Right.
That's all.
We're not breaking even on them, right?
Yeah, which is nice because since we're like the garage sale, we'll talk about again, but yeah, we're not making huge money, but we're clearing stuff out, so it's nice to also have actual good sales. I was just telling Chris that I think it's crazy that I just sold a pair of denim men's shorts for basically they paid over $40 for them with shipping and tax and everything. Whereas that's like what we made for 2 hours of work
at the garage
with both
sale.
of us.
Yeah.
Working the garage sale, yeah. So just funny.
You got it?
Alright, so this is actually a viewer sale, and she bought a bundle of 3 items. So the first one is this Old Navy Shark sweatshirt. And then BF. Is a Hannah Anderson Jack-o'-lantern PJ set. That one was my son's. And then AO. Hannah Anderson Christmas PJ set. So this is going out to Megan. Thank you so much. So she just messaged me on eBay asking if I could make her a bundle. So I was happy to do that. So we settled on $35 plus shipping for these 3 items. So yeah, so this one was my son's. The other 2 were from the bins, part of the stimulus check challenge. So maybe $3 total into those. This I probably paid $20 to $25 for. So overall, I'm probably breaking even on this sale, but really happy to not lose any money on stuff that I bought for my own kids. So, Megan, thank you so much. Hopefully these work out for your kids.
Thank you for the support, Megan.
Yeah, so
that's it for today.
Yeah.
So we got a full chair. It's not bad. We're going to go ahead and pack this stuff up, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys. Got all that ready to go using our makeshift table, which is a chair. In case you couldn't tell.
I just want to show off my new. So I finally ordered my new shipping hit mailer. So I bought like a year or so ago. I bought like over 1,000 of these, I think. So we finally, this was our last pack of them, and those are my favorite, the florals. So I finally bought more of those, and then I finally also branched out and got some different prints. So these ones are super cute. And actually today, I check my eBay feedbacks every day just because I want to make sure there's no negatives, and if there is a negative, like, resolve it. But there was no negatives. But the last positive says, I thought this was funny. I actually had 2 people today. So this person wrote, arrived very quickly in a pretty floral shipping bag. So, I mean, I can't tell you how often people literally mention the bags, and obviously you can buy the white plain old ones for cheaper, but we kind of were just pricing it out before we started, because I was interested. Like, I think my first pack ever when I started reselling was a white, and I feel like they were like 10 to 12 cents each. When I bought the florals from Shipping Hip, I mean, I did buy a huge bundle. When you buy more, they give you a lower price. So, like, I think I did 10 cents each back then, but they did raise their prices a little over the time since then. But anyways, I just bought like another 1,000 from them recently, I think, and I came out to like 15 cents a mailer. So yeah, I mean, for a couple extra cents for people to leave positive reviews and just be happy, and I'm more happy like doing shipping and stuff.
Right. So, and when you add up our shipping costs, if we're not using a USPS box, which would be free, the mailer, which we still do use the clear bags, like when we pack inside the boxes.
Which those are, the smaller ones are like 2 cents, and the big ones are like 3 cents each. So pretty much our whole shipping thing.
We put a sticker on the bag
and everything, a label, a Dymo label, I'd say it's under 20. It's between 20 to 25 cents.
Yeah.
And like, I pretty much like account for that in my pricing.
Yep.
So if you're not accounting for it in your pricing, you could always just, you know, bulk edit your eBay prices to
Increase
add
by
25
cents.
cents. And so yeah. Anyways, all that to say, we have a shipping hip code below. These ones are not shipping hip. These I also got some. I like cute little kid ones for my Kidizen sales and stuff like that. So this I got on Amazon, and they actually came in like a variety pack. So I got like a whole bunch of cute little prints, and there was only like 10 of each. I wish they had them in bigger, because I like
Bigger
really
bulk,
like these cat ones and stuff. So, but yeah, I think they came in a 60 pack with 10 per print for like 6 prints. Anyways, we'll add that to our Amazon link just so that you can easily find them if you're interested. But
and we do think that it provides a little bit of a better experience. I don't know, maybe not better, but would you say better? Receiving a package that's nice and good looking versus, you know, just a plain white package or like a, I don't know.
I think the amount of positive feedback
we do feel like we've gotten positive feedback because of that packaging. Not saying everybody needs to have nice packaging, but you know, Kathy likes. I'll share a little bit of a story. We did receive a package recently that was wrapped in a cereal box. I'm not even joking.
I don't really mind.
It was Reese's Peanut Butter Puff cereal box, and that was wrapped in like a trash bag,
like
right?
An Aldi.
Like a clear trash bag.
It was funny. It was something I bought off Facebook Marketplace, but I only paid $10 plus shipping for the item, so I'm like, that's fine. You know, I'm happy I got a good deal.
It came in safe. It did its job. It protected the item inside.
But yeah, if I was rating the person, I probably wouldn't be like great packaging or anything like that. So
it was funny packaging, but
yeah, I mean, it doesn't bother me. I like when people recycle and use what they got. So,
but we also like having a nice process, right? Like our process is very streamlined. You know, put thing in bag, put bag, sticker on bag, put bag in bag, label on bag, just ship it out. Like it's very easy to do. I was able to do all shipping on my own a couple days ago, and yeah, so having that process is beneficial, and it does cost a little bit more, but it's faster, so it saves us on time in the long run. Anyway, that's enough about shipping. But we did start our garage sale today, and we had pretty good turnout.
I don't think we actually kept track of our sales. I'd say we definitely made over 100 so far.
Yeah.
Maybe closer to 150. And that's literally stuff that we don't care about, that we've either had sitting around our house forever. It's not really stuff up here that we've been reselling. I wanted to pull some stuff from up here, but I didn't really even get around to that because we spent most of last night just pulling it from our own stuff. So, we did pull some stuff from our backyard. Like we had a patio set that we probably bought 6 years ago.
It was just
in Colorado.
damaged.
It hails every summer, and we don't have like the stuff that people put their stuff in when it's bad weather. So it's just been getting pounded with hail.
It also
rain,
gets
snow.
UV damage just from sitting out in the sun all day.
It was like in bad shape, and honestly, we were just gonna give it away for free if nobody bought it. But one of the first people that came up, I don't know what you priced it at, but they just said, "Will you take $20 for it all?" And we're like, "Yes." We would have given it away for free.
I feel like I put $20 on each set. We had a table with 6 chairs and like a love seat and then 2 chairs, which had no cushions or anything.
So
the cushions were all torn up.
Mostly just wood that was really bad. Like would give you splinters if you don't refinish
which,
it.
I don't know. Wood value right now is kind of through the roof. Maybe we got the raw end of that deal.
So yeah, we could have used it for firewood. So yeah, that was something big. Like we got rid of most of our big stuff that we just don't want around our home anymore. You know, well, we still have the cozy coop. We pulled some of our kids' toys that they had from toddler age. A little plastic table.
We sold a power wheel.
Oh yeah, one of those cars that kids drive around. So that sold for $30, and then just a bunch of miscellaneous, what I would consider
dishes,
almost garbage, like stuff that didn't cost a whole bunch to begin with, but those 25-50 cent pieces add up over the course of people buying them off. So
and unfortunately I didn't really get any footage. It was kind of the last thing on my mind. We were literally working the sale from 7 a.m. until 1 o'clock. Then we came in, showered, came up here to do our shipping. So we've been kind of go since 7 a.m. Actually since last night, because we were going through the whole house all all night. I don't know, three hours or so yesterday, just rounding stuff up that we were gonna sell. And we didn't do any pricing or anything last night. So we did all that this morning before the sale. And we actually had a really good turnout, even though it's a neighborhood sale, and apparently there was supposed to be 2 days, which we kind of mentioned, but most of the houses aren't starting until tomorrow or Saturday. I think there was like maybe 4 or 5 houses that were supposed to be on today. So we were like, well, if people are going to be coming here anyway, we just wanted to get out and get that more exposure. And we had a lot of people come, even though it was kind of a few streets away from the people who were doing the sales today anyway. So I was very surprised and excited about how many people came by. We have construction right on the corner of our street kind of coming in, which is like the only way in. And I guess I was looking on the Facebook group, all the ramps in our sidewalks at every intersection are not ADA compliant, so they're tearing them all out, putting in all new ones. So literally every intersection in our neighborhood right now is just coned off, and there's construction. They're kicking up cement, and it's just a mess. But we still had a really good sale in spite of that, and I think we're gonna have a lot more people tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to get some footage tomorrow just to kind of show you what we have left. I'm really sorry we didn't do that in the beginning, but like I said, it's been go, 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 and I need a nap. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff off to the post office and pick up Connor from school. And yeah, I'm gonna go take that nap. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.